Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you free TOTS player. Let's claim 93 OVR center back Konate in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how I can challenge the event, how I can complete the quest so I can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by open this TOTS Team of the Season event banner and jump into the main chapter. You can tap the main chapter and this one milestone reward, so you can claim this daily warm-up reward to unlock milestone reward. So this one daily warm-up, try to collect this by complete 5 matches or skill game in the division rival or the TOTS chapter, and after completing 10 daily warm-up you can get free Ibrahima Konate. Unfortunately, he had only two trades for center back, but he got 93 OVR, and pace is very important for the center back in this game. So I will take this player. Tap free button and then tap to open, and welcome Ibrahima Konate from France, center back, play for Liverpool, and we got Ibrahima Konate. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.